Today I have over 10 ideas for you to update your kitchen. I really like the look of the gray backsplash and underside of the counter against the white cupboards. This kitchen has some really good contrast with the black countertops. The light color of this countertop looks rich with the light theme of this gray and white kitchen. The tan and brown tones in this countertop look nice with the antique white or cream colored cabinets. Not only does this kitchen have a pot filler, it also has really nice backsplash subway tile, which I always find to be a unique look. The upper cupboards in this kitchen have such a nice pattern on the glass. Crisscross is the name of the game in this kitchen. I love the upper cupboards and backsplash. And the X at the end of the kitchen island is just fantastic. I'm also enjoying the small pillars that run across the bar area. The style of this sink is really popular in newer homes, and the countertop has a nice finish. The beadboard along this backsplash is a great alternative to tile and is much less expensive. I really like the look of the brass or golden handles and fixtures, plus the subway tile on the wall with the window is gorgeous. This is yet another great example of a white kitchen with brass fixtures. Beautiful. The large gray backsplash showcases the item on the counter nicely. I've even seen fake marble that looks almost as good as the real thing. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. I will see you in the next video up on the screen. Peace out.